Welcome in Lecture 12 Leadership. This is Clause 5 of International Standard for ISO 9001-2015. Under its subclause 5.3 Organization Roles, Responsibilities and Authorities, we will be discussing here job description of management representative. In current standard of 9001-2015, the management representative is not required, but standard also not restricted if organization appoint MR and manage their system accordingly. The responsibilities of management representative include ensure the effectiveness of the integrated management system IMS. Integrated management system composed of ISO 9001-2015 quality management system QMS, ISO 14001-2015 environmental management system and ISO 45001-2018 occupational health and safety management system. This JD of MR encompass all other ISO certification and other standards, for example SA 8000, IATF TS 16949 quality management system for automotive industries as well. Now I am continuing the responsibilities from point number 2. Monitor performance and report in management review meeting. For management review meeting, kindly refer to our lecture 10 part A MRM. Maintain updated master copies of all levels of system document in central quality file and management representative file. Coordinate with certification bodies for certification, surveillance and recertification audit, collection of updated revision of international standard and other relevant information. Ensure that external audit points as reported in the external auditor's report are successfully closed by the respective departments and communicated to the certification body through M. In conjunction with HR manager, prepare annual training planner and incorporate awareness sessions, trainings, refresher courses related to ISO and other system, tools and techniques throughout the organization in the annual training planner. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Issue internal audit schedule. Ensure all internal audits have been performed accordingly. Collect audit reports from internal auditors duly signed by the auditing department. Prepare consolidated internal audit finding reports. Arrange internal audit finding meeting chaired by the steering body to discuss on the summarized audit points with closing status. Ensure all corrective action requests are closed within due course of time. Internal audit finding meeting is most important before forthcoming management review meeting. Formulate and circulate the annual event calendar for timely follow-up of evocation drill, fire drill, calibration, environmental tests, internal and external audits, supplier evaluation and all other important activities relevant to the compliance are being monitored and closed timely. Implement other new international standards, tool and system as and when management intended to implement. Ensure all departments are maintaining quality objective planning and in case of integrated management system also ensure that at least one approved quality objective for each standard is being maintained by all respective departments. For quality objective, please refer all parts of our lecture 11. In conjunction with the information technology department, maintain schedule periodic master backup for all electronic files including scan copies of management approval of documents related to integrated management system and record of other international standard system tools in accordance with the work instruction for maintenance and monitoring the security data backup. To maintain the annual audit calendar for all internal and external audit, circulate periodic schedule for internal audit, arrange meeting to review internal audit findings chaired by the steering bodies and ensure that before next periodic steering committee meeting all findings, non-conformance and observation reported by the internal external auditors are either closed or reported with their target date with justification. Any other job assigned by the management. And in laws, see the job specification required for appointing the management representative. The content of job specification will be according to the size, scale and type of the organization. This JD sample is for MR in large scale automotive OEM, where MR is B Bachelor of Engineering, registered with Engineering Council and member of professional institution. 15 years experience in automotive and engineering OEM, preferably a lead auditor on current version of ISO and having 5-year experience as MR. Research work have been published in international research journal. Approved by managing director with date, signature with date, and acknowledged by the management representative with his signature and date. Now see the preview of this document. Thank you for watching this video. For any query, you are welcome to contact with us.